Hi there, I'm Tom Monroe, the home inspector. I'm on an inspection of a cute little townhouse that has had a brand new kitchen installed during a renovation. Let me show you why it is imperative to have your own inspector go through that kitchen and that unit for you to make sure everything has been installed properly and to the manufacturer's specification for those products. Let me show you. When installing appliances, it is imperative to install them to the manufacturer's specification guide or you will void the warranty. Samsung is specific to say that the discharge tube is to be a maximum of 10 feet long, and it actually comes 10 feet long. So if you have to extend the dishwasher tube, that means you've extended it past 10 feet. It's also supposed to not have any loops in it. You can see a loop there. Backing up, that was in the Lazy Susan. And so here, you can see that it's been wrapped twice around the ABS pipe and connected to the dishwasher. This has been installed completely wrong, and the pump of this Samsung will actually burn out because it has to push that water so far through all these different loops. Now, carburetors are also supposed to have wiring that's protected by an armored BX cable, not just white Lumex cable extending to the back there. And that white cable also extends off to the dishwasher, which should have its own isolated electrical circuit. So my client's going to be really happy that they're going to get things fixed before they start the dishwasher, before they actually flood their home, and before they cause tens of thousands of dollars in damage. Could you imagine if they hadn't had an inspection, they moved into this home, started using that dishwasher, and that dishwasher flooded and damaged their brand new kitchen and home? They would have been some upset. If you have any home-related questions you'd like me to discuss, leave them in the comments below and let's figure them out. I post videos weekly. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Tom Monroe, the Home Inspector.